accidentally give someone access to your top secret project plans in Basecamp. Don't panic. I'm here to show you exactly how to revoke that access and maintain project security. First, navigate to your Basecamp account and click on the home icon located in the top left corner of the screen. This will take you to your Basecamp dashboard. Now, look for the Teammates and Clients section, usually found on the left-hand side of the dashboard. Click on this section to see a list of everyone with access to your Basecamp account. Find the name of the user you want to remove. Click on their name to open their profile page. On the user's profile page, you'll see an Edit This Person button. Usually in the top right corner, click on this button to open the user editing options. Scroll down to the bottom of the editing options. You should see a red button labeled Remove This Person from Basecamp. Click this button. A confirmation pop-up will appear, asking if you're absolutely sure you want to remove the user. This is your last chance to back out. Read the prompt carefully, then click the confirmation button, something like Yes, remove this person to proceed. And that's it. The user has now been removed from your Basecamp account and can no longer access any of your projects. You've successfully secured your project data.